welcome to Code Fun with me, Rosie. So good to see you, my friend. Come on, me waiata tātou. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. Kia ora, how are you doing? Or in other words, kei te pehea koe. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. So there's you and me, and there's someone else here at Code Fun too. Digi! Oh. Digi! 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 Huh. I wonder where Digi is. Maybe if we both call out Digi together, then Digi will come. Okay, call out Digi on the count of 3. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Digi! Can you hear that? I think it's working. Let's try again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Digi! Whoa! There you are, Digi. I can still see you, Digi. What a tricky trickster. Tēnā koe, Digi.
Kia ora.
Now that we're all here, are you ready to have lots of fun? Ka rawe, hoa ke tātou. Tēnā koe. Titiro mai. I'm blowing bubbles. I caught one. It's so shiny.
Whoa! What are those?
Shall we show Digi? Come on. There, miru miru. Bubbles. Titiro. First, I dip my wand into the bubble mixture until all the holes are filled. Then, I gently blow to make a bubble.
Miharo, can you teach me how to blow bubbles?
Of course I can.
Ka rawe.
Will you help me show Digi how to blow bubbles? Kara whiua, let's do it. If you want to see Digi blow bubbles, here's what to do. They need a list of instructions from me and from you. If you make the instructions clear, we'll be just fine. Let's code this robot one step at a time. Remember, code is another word for instructions. Digi won't know how to blow bubbles until we give instructions. First up, I'll show you so we can help Digi together. Oh, here's a bubble wand for you. Have you got it? Oh, and here's some bubble mixture. Whoa, careful, don't spill it. Okay, first of all, close up your fingers so you're holding the wand. Now dip it into your bubble mixture. Now bring it up to your mouth. Take a big deep breath and slowly and gently blow. Wow! He mea pai tēnā. That was a good one. Let's show Digi. Okay, Digi. First of all, close up your fingers so you're holding the wand. Okay, now point your hand down to dip the wand into the bubble mixture. That's it. Are you joining in? Cool. Okay, now bring the wand up to your mouth. Take a big, deep breath. And blow. Whoa!
Oh, where? Sorry. Are you okay, Rosie?
Yep, all good, Digi. That's right. Robots need clear instructions. I didn't tell Digi to blow slowly and gently. Mingana no, let's try that again. Okay, Digi. First, we need some bubble mixture. Okay, Digi. Now I'm going to hold up the bubble wand to your mouth. Are you using your bubble wand too? Great. Okay, Digi, now take a big, deep breath. You too. And now slowly and gently blow. Wow!
Whoa.
Nice one, Digi. We did it. We coded Digi so that we could all blow bubbles together. Nā mihi e hoa. Wow! Bubbles are beautiful, and big bubbles are even better. Hey, why don't you pretend to be a bubble with me and float around? Okay, Etu, stand up and find some space. That's it. Now blow up your bubble. And float around. Hey, I know a really cool game we could play. I'll be the programmer and give you instructions, and you be the robot, and I'll code you to float like a bubble. Okay, here are the instructions. If you hear the music, then you need to float like he miru miru, a bubble. But if the music stops, then you need to freeze. Whakatoka. Have you got it? Okay, great. Blow up your bubble. And get ready to float. Whoa, whoa, freeze. Oh, phew. Are you floating like a bubble? Are you frozen? Good job. You're really good at following instructions, just like a robot. Oh, Digi thinks you did a great job too. We've had so much fun on Code Fun today. But now it's time to say goodbye. Hey, Digi.
Hey, Rosie. I've come to say goodbye with you.
Cool! Me waiata tātou. Ka kite, thank you for coming, ka kite, on this beautiful day. Ka kite, ka hoki mai anu, or in other words, we'll be back again. Ka kite, thank you for coming, ka kite, have a wonderful day. Ka kite anō e hoa. Come back next time.
Ka kite.